J Train, Jamaica Center, Parsons Archer, Sutphin Boulevard, Archer Avenue, JFK Airport, 121st Street, 111th Street, 104th Street, Woodhaven Boulevard, 85th Street, Forest Parkway, 75th Street, Eldridge Lane, Cypress Hills, Crescent Street, Norwood Avenue, Cleveland Street, Van Sicklen Avenue, Alabama Avenue, Broadway Junction, Chauncey Street, Halsey Street, Gates Avenue, Kosciuszko Street, Myrtle Avenue, Flushing Avenue, Lorimer Street, Hughes Street, Marcy Avenue, Delancey Street, Essex Street, Bowery, Canal Street, Chambers Street, Fulton Street, Broad Street.